Hey, what are you guys doing?
We're eating. My brother here brought me a bowl.
I like corn.
Eric. 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 He's knocked out. Eric. Eric. You have your Eric. You're snoring really loud. I'm recording.
Damn. I'll put eso.
Háganse para allá. Buscando. Pinche madre.
Yo soy Lakers. Yo soy de los Lakers.
Váyanse para allá. You're a dick, fam.
I'll send it to you through YouTube and then I promise I'll delete it.
No, watch, I'm gonna get mad to the stick. Pull up here.
Da un besito a mi cámara, please.
Lick my balls.
Hey.
You guys are dicks. Matthew, go take Daisy in her room.
Hey, I want to say something.
Daisy!
Hey, I want to say something.
Ya se enojó.
I want to say something. I want to say something to Eric. Eric, I love you. The bowl is good. I know you want it, but like you're sleeping, you're snoring hard. I can't sleep.
Tell me, wake up your sister.
No. What are you guys eating? Say hi to my camera.
My husband and your husband are eating.
It's tempting, perrito.
Say hi.
We're going.
What, you going to the strip club? You're not taking him? Are you gonna go?
No, he wants to
My
go.
husband is.
Say hi.
My husband is eating and he doesn't want to say hi to the camera. He doesn't like paparazzi.
What kind of jersey are you wearing?
I'm wearing a stupid sneakers jersey I found in the trash.
Say cheese.
I didn't have any clothes, any PJs, so I'm wearing it.
Say cheese.
Is that right?
I'm put it on YouTube.
Your husband is mad because I'm wearing a PJs for.
Where's
I'm wearing
it?
a jersey for PJs.
This is boring. Eric, just say bye please and I'll leave you alone.
I was born in Mexico.